Hey guys, all right, welcome back to A Little Time Away. We're going to do another box opening. This one, if you guys remember, we went to the Disney World Epcot Festival of Flower and Garden last year. I wanted these things right here. I know what it is already, but we're going to show you. They got them back in stock because they were sold out when we were there, but let's get into it. Oh, by the way, big shout out to my buddy JC. He got these for me, shipped them to me, and super excited. Whoa. They bubble wrap these things. There we go. Disney does a good job of bubble wrapping for sure, but that's why we have knives. Trash. There it is. Check that out. We're gonna open them up for you guys. Try to get the glare off the screen. Oh, I like the top of the label. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Little spiked bumblebee. That's awesome. So I'm gonna go put him outside. I'll show you guys what he looks like outside in the yard. So, all right guys, so we're here. He is out here in the backyard. Awesome. All right guys, again, thanks JC. You're the best. And hope you all enjoyed it. Later.